Hi, Rick Bayless with A Healthier Home. I was asked to check the indoor air quality status at this house, specifically look for mold. Indoor air quality starts outside. So we begin with an examination around the building exterior. We look at the downspouts and rainwater management. And is rainwater staying in the gutters, going down the downspouts, into the drains, and moving away from the house? Well, I see these signs of depression here in the mulch where water's been splashing out of bounds from the gutter system, and I see some debris. But I hear this sound up here, hollow sounding that is. And you come down and you hear this dull sound. This one versus this one down here. That's full of debris. And it did take us apart, and we'll find it'll be full of stuff. There's pine needles that have packed into this gutter and plugged it up. So the water can't go beyond this point, and water spills out onto the ground here. So try these. What instruments do we use to find what's at issue with the house? Well, use your senses. Sound, sight, feel, odor. You can discover a lot, knowing how to read a house and look for these common signs. Before you pull out the first instrument, you probably figured out the majority of what you got to figure out about the building. So go around your house and do the thunk test against your gutters and downspouts and drains, and see if they sound like they're full of debris. Rick Bayless with A Healthier Home. See you next time.